Guys, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Kisho. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the price update of Kisho. What's the price changes over. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and update videos, guys. So guys, first of all, if we talk about the right now price of Kisho in the market, 0.000001 USD dollar, that is the right now price of Kisho. Furthermore, if we talk about the changes of Kisho, so now the last 1 hour update is positive 0.2%, last 1 day change is negative 8.69%, and last 1 week change is also positive 13.94%. so guys, that's mean that in the last week, in the last 7 days, Kisho for a short time pump. You can see here from 13 September to 16 September the price start pumping, and as I told you guys in my every video that after pump there is a falls, and after falls there is pump, guys. So now guys, here you can see possibilities that they falls more, but now I believe guys that now it is the last of September, so higher possibilities, and I'm sure about that at the last of September the price of Kisho will pump, guys. That's my prediction, guys. Anyways guys, what you think? What is your prediction? What is your update about Kisho? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.